This stitch is called seed stitch. It's somewhat similar to the straight stitch we just did. However, this stitch is more freeform. There's no strict pattern to it. I've divided it into 3 colors. These 3 colors represent different sections. 2 of the colors have already been embroidered. Let's take a look at the result so far. Now I will embroider the 3rd color. This is also done using 4 strands of floss, color number 4. It is embroidered to look somewhat like scattered seeds, creating a relatively casual and natural effect. This is the effect of the seed stitch we have completed.